Abundance, 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 and gratitude to all. I told you all that was hidden must come to the light, and it's nothing that they can do about it. Now, there are three types of melanin. You have neuromelanin, you have eumelanin, and you have phenomelanin. Now, people want to speak about eumelanin that gives you a brown pigmentation of your skin, just like Dr. Shiva, some of these East Indians, Tiger Woods, they have eumelanin. But eumelanin is also found in animals, and it's produced through the melanocytes in the skin. But however, where do you get your skin? Where does your skin get its information from? To form its skin, to form the cells for the skin, where does it get the information from? From your DNA. Your DNA produces and controls how your phenotype is going to look and how it's going to function. Now, neuromelanin is condensed sunlight. So it's literally the sun inside of so-called black people body, the sun in the cosmos. So listen to this here.
And we made the most incredible semiconductor, better than chlorophyll, better than hemoglobin, called melanin. Yeah. And what does melanin do? Melanin is the most special semiconductor on the planet. What is that semiconductor? It absorbs all frequencies of light, even frequencies of light not in our sun. So what does that mean? We are able to now harness all the energy and information that are around us.
So photosynthesis is one of these processes that's extracting energy, right? Or creating energy, liberating photons.
Yep.
What is it about, why is this process so key to understanding the human cell? Well, we don't practice, we don't do photosynthesis, or do we?
Yes, we do.
We do, okay.
That's actually the story that I just told you about melanin. Guess what melanin does? Melanin absorbs all frequencies of light and liberates 4 electrons.
Okay.
Actually, it has the ability to liberate double the amount. And what we think now, based on what condensed matter physicists are doing, you may not know this. You know who's studying melanin now? NASA. They're putting it in the ISS. Why? Because they just found out that you can create a massive amount of electrons. So if you think about Elon Musk's world, any place where you can extract more energy means you have to use less fuel to get to where you need to go. And we made the most.
So remember when he asked, we don't practice photosynthesis, and he had to say, yes, we do, but they only do that through chloroplasts. We biosynthesize the sun. They practice what you call photosynthesis, which is they're only able to do that by the organelle called chloroplast. And that right there is something that they have that is inside of their genetic makeup that doesn't allow them to convert sunlight into chemical energy as fast as we can. So this is where malignancy starts to kick in as far as cancer cells. Now, pause. I want to show you something. Here we go right here. What is black body radiation in simple terms? Remember, it didn't say light skin black body. It didn't say porcelain skin body radiation. It says black body radiation. Understand that. A black body is an idealist object that absorbs all electromagnetic radiation it comes in contact with. It then emits thermal radiation in a continuous spectrum according to its temperature. Stars behave approximately like black bodies. And this concept explains why there are different color of stars. So when they be like, yo, black people come in all different shades and colors. Yeah, we do. The color spectrum, because we emit all the colors. That's why we emit all the colors in the spectrum, and we absorb all energy around us. We absorb all frequencies around us at its highest, from its lowest frequency all the way to its highest frequency. This is why they can't move like we can. This is why they don't have the ability, the psychic abilities that we have. So understand and understand, my people, who we are and why they are trying to keep this. Not why they was trying to keep this, or why they kept this away from us for so long. But now we're in the age of light, the age of information, and all of this is now coming to the head. It's nothing that they can do about it. The only reason why we are enslaved is because we choose to be enslaved. And enslavement has nothing to do with physical. It's mental. If I can enslave you mentally, I can enslave you physically. This is the number one issue. And this is why they don't want you to ever gain power of self. True power of self is knowledge. It has nothing to do with money and social status. Abundance and gratitude to all.